Hello guys, it's me, Micah, and today uh we're not actually gonna be playing this. I only have like 10 minutes of the video. So if you're watching this, pay attention very closely. I was trying to get this on the screen. Anyway, pay close attention because uh this is not going to be a gaming video. This is a mod I made for Baldi's Basics. It's called Baldiism. And it actually turned out really, really good. So, if you want to play it, then I suggest you going to uh, probably Game Banana, Game Jolt, and itch.io, because those are the softwares I will be releasing it on. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.